and welcome to question 3 of our series 19 hospitality questions on COVID-19. Today's question comes from an assistant housekeeper at a hotel. She writes to us, with the enhanced cleaning and sanitation associated with COVID-19, there inevitably comes enhanced costs. How would a hotel deal with these enhanced costs? Over to you, Mr. Wahab.
Now, that's an interesting question. And let me first say this. The hospitality industry has no choice but to spend to regain the trust to travel. Therefore, COVID-19 has definitely influenced housekeeping and requires enhanced cleaning. No question about it. The hotel has to therefore bear the costs. If it is a branded hotel, usually the cost will fall on the owner, not the brand. Nevertheless, cost of doing nothing can be even worse. Initially, people will travel, but not so far, and they will want to stay in a safe hotel. There is also the affordability factor, because the global economy has simply been shattered. So what are you going to observe? Many of the hotels will try to reduce other costs, excepting housekeeping costs, and that can go horribly wrong if they compromise both on quality and standards. Other hotels might think, okay, we can add the increased cost of cleaning to the room rate. And why not? If those hotels know their markets well and the market can accept those hotel rates, then so be it. There is in fact one major global hotel that is toying with the idea of adding a COVID-19 surcharge to the hotel bill. Now, on the one hand, the industry is persuading people to travel, saying it is safe. And on the other hand, if hotels start saying, your hotel room will be safe only if we clean it and you got to pay for it, is sending the absolute wrong message. But the danger here is that should one chain hotel do this, then the likelihood is that all the others will follow. That herd instinct will kick in. You remember in the aftermath of every act of terrorism, tourism growth took place in gradual phases. And so it is going to be the same with COVID-19. It may take longer than sooner, but once we reach those pre-COVID levels of occupancy and visitors' arrivals, then the evidence of cleaning will get diminished. It is not to say that cleaning is no longer important, but then other expectations will also kick in. It's a question of that delicate balance between either doing too much or doing too little, and this has to be frequently reviewed by hotels. In fact, the entire business model and value proposition will have to be re-examined, because today's goal is that ultimate safe hotel, and that is something that everyone must work towards, including stakeholders. Making a profit is an additional bonus, but should not be the ultimate aim. So, what do we know from guest expectations? You got to first make your stakeholders understand that until total recovery takes place, you need to bite the bullet and therefore meet those increased housekeeping costs. That's what I can say for the moment.
Thank you, Mr. Wahab. So this has been question 3 of our series 19 hospitality questions on COVID-19. Write in to us at reachus@hospitalitysrilanka.com or on our social media channels, which you will see in the next page after this video. Thank you.